So, finally, on this slide, my name is Anuj Shukla, and I'm gonna present what were the contribution and challenges that we faced, and what exactly we contribute from this, and what challenges exactly we faced while implementing this project. So, first of all, we'll talk about my contribution, then the challenges, and then what I learned personally from this project. So, throughout this project, all of us worked together, but I was mainly involved in designing the ERD, creating the relational schema, and writing SQL queries for data analysis. I also helped in inserting sample data into the database and testing the queries to make sure that they were working correctly. So basically, working on this project gave me a clear understanding of how a database system is actually built from the scratch. Earlier, I only had a theoretical knowledge without any practical exposure, but after doing this project, I understand how different components like tables, like keys, and relationship work together in a real system. So, one of the biggest challenges that we faced as a team was handling many relationships. At first, it was confusing because directly connecting two tables creates redundancy and data inconsistency. But after understanding the concept properly, we solved it using the bridge tables like product, supplier, and order details. This helped us to maintain proper relationships and avoid duplication. Another challenge was maintaining the consistency in foreign keys. Since our database had multiple tables like store, department, employee, and orders, it was important to correctly link those tables. Even a small mistake in any of the foreign keys could actually break the relationship. So we had to carefully check all the connections. We also faced some difficulty while writing join queries because combining data from multiple tables and getting correct result was not easy initially, but after having multiple practice sessions and running different queries, we were able to understand how join operations work and how they can be used to retrieve meaningful information. So from this project, I learned several important concepts. First, I understood how the ERD helps in visualizing the structure of a database before the implementation. Secondly, I learned how normalization improves database efficiency by reducing redundancy and ensuring data consistency. Third, I gained practical experience in writing SQL queries for data retrieval and analysis. This project actually also improved my problem solving skills, basically because we had a lot of brainstorming session and literally helped us in helping us solving the problems in real time. Uh, Whenever we face an issue, we actually have to analyze everything again and again, step by step, to find a proper solution. So yeah, so it also helped me to improve my teamwork skills, as we have to coordinate in different times and come together on a single platform to contribute, and divide the task efficiently. So yes, so time management was another thing that I learned. In terms of future improvement, I would suggest that it can be enhanced further by adding more advanced features like, for example, if we can implement an online order tracking system so that the customer can track their orders in real time. We can also add a secure login system with the authentication methods to protect the sensitive data, which is the PII data, personal identifiable information. So that has to be protected. So we can add a security layer on top of it. And another improvement that can be done is to integrate the real-time inventory updates so that stock levels are always accurate. Overall, this project gave me a strong understanding of how database systems are used in real-world business environment. So in conclusion, the AMC database system is an efficient and scalable solution that helps to manage business operations in a structured and reliable way. And thank you for listening. I am happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much. My name is Anuj and my student ID is 242513. And thank you for watching.